Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the quick and easiest way to apply the laggy effects to your video on CapCut. So first, you need to import your video to CapCut and then just go to video effects and then click on the lens tab. Then select the FPS lag. Okay, so you can adjust it to your liking, but for me I set it to 100 the speed, and if you're done, just click on a check icon, then adjust the effect for your whole clip and you are done with the laggy effect. Okay, so that's the easiest way. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you, so thank you for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and don't forget to like, comment, and also click on thanks below and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.